What's going on, you guys? This is Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com, coming at you today with another video about ClickBank, and I'm going to try to show you kind of how it all works and how to set up an affiliate offer and load it onto YouTube and try to make a dollar. So without further ado, let's go on over to ClickBank and get started here. As you see here, we're on ClickBank's marketplace. You can go on here, you can sign in. It's a free account, don't cost you anything to sign in, to find a product to try to sell. You got three major ones. You got health, wealth, and fitness, or health, wealth, and dating. I'm sorry. And ClickBank has an offer for all of them. It's really a good platform. If you look at the e-business and marketing platform, you got all these subcategories here: niche marketing, paid surveys, submitters, video marketing. You got all this right here that you can promote, and that's just one of the niches. You got health and fitness. You've got addiction, beauty, dental health, all of these, nutrition, men's health, mental health, strength, women's health, yoga. I know yoga is kind of a big one. And then you've got dating, which is, let me see, there's parenting, which I ain't a big fan of. I don't really want to touch on that one. But, well, I thought they had one for dating. I could have swore they did. Language is mobile phone. Let's see. See what's under parenting families. Education general. I guess not. Okay. I've not actually been through all of them because I'm in the business and e-business and marketing category, which is where I'm going to show you because it's what I know. So, I'm not in the dating niche. That's fine. Those people that on here that'll tell you to search by popularity. Me personally, I like gravity. The gravity score is how many people in the last 30 days have basically made a sale with this. Like this one right here has had 116 people sell this product within the last 30 days. And it has a popularity of, let's see here. I'm not even popularity, where'd it go? I'm not seeing it right off. But, anyway, this one right here has a gravity score of 70. This one has a gravity score of 57. And what I like about this one, you get an initial sale of roughly $65. You get an average rebill of $64 for every sale. That means you could truly make passive income with this, and it's under the video marketing. As you see, it's make money from YouTube with no filming, no marketing, and no website. If you want to know what it's all about, you click on the link there. It'll take you to the sales page. And let me stop this right quick. It's YouTubeSecrets.com. Enjoy monthly payments from YouTube and make money. As you can see, it's a good little deal. And he's got a screenshot. This is actually a pretty good sales page. Daily video views, average video link per view. So it even gives you projected earnings on all this. which is nice. Who's program for? Uh, Actually, this might be something I wouldn't mind promoting. But anyway, oh, you even get a 7-day free trial if you do it. Anyway, what you would do then, check out the sales page, see if you like it, and then if you want to, you can check out the affiliate page, which there again will load here in a second, and I'll show you what it looks like so you can see everything, what all they're selling, the upsells, everything else. With just 5 sales, you can make this. Basically, it's a sales page for you to sell it. You could be earning up to 10 grand a month. You can get banners. Here you can get, should be some email swipes down here that you can get off the JV page. There's more banners. More banners. See if they got any email swipes. Obviously not. Okay. But anyway, this is the affiliates page that you can see. I wish they would. I guess they only have the one offer for what it is. I thought maybe they would have a funnel here that they would show you and show you the back end sales, but I guess they've only got the one, which is fine. So there you have that. Starting from zero, Fred Lim's book. That's, I've seen a lot on YouTube about it. I don't really know. Sell Who Warehouse, #1 affiliate program, and you see it's an $84 sale. If you're looking to make $100 a day, that's roughly, one sale there. Here you would need 11 sales. The other one I showed you really wouldn't be that bad. But what you would do, you would go and hit promote. Make sure that you're logged in so you get your account nickname, and then you put tracking ID optional, which I'll put test. Generate the hop link. What you would do then, you see this link here, you take it and copy it, or you can just go here and copy it to clipboard. I like doing it the way I do it. Everybody's different. Then you go to Bitly and come over here to create a bit link, because the other one is really spammy looking and nobody's going to click on it no matter what. And you just paste the long one in and you hit create. What's taking my computer so long? And then you title it. See, this one's already got the title in it, which I'm fine with. Here you can even customize the back half if you want to. Like me, type in YouTube secrets. Yeah, this is the reason why I do YouTube and not blogs, because I'm really slow. Save it. And then, well, it's already taken. So, okay. And just leave it like it was. And it's fine with me. I just wish I could have done that. But anyway. So what you do then, you go to YouTube. And you see this is my channel and user analytics, everything else in the background. What you do, you come down here and find a video. Let me show you how I do this. Let's just pull this one up. See if it pauses or not. As you see, this is my number one way to make passive income. I hit show more, you'll find, well, this one I didn't do it. But anyway, that takes you into my number one passive way to make income, which of course is trying to collect email, and then it'll take you into the back end offer on it. I need to probably change it, but anyway, let me show you. See, it just here, if you put in your name and email, you get a video telling you how to do it. And you know, for this offer, it is from a guy that's made over $250 million online, and he is top notch, and trust me, you would not be disappointed. But there again, basically you just paste in your bit.ly link after you copy it. It's real simple to do. If you got any other questions, leave them in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. And my number one way online to make passive income, a couple of $100 a day. Yeah, I make more on it than I do ClickBank. And it is beginner friendly. You have a 15-day course that you get for free. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Till tomorrow.